This is just a twist to our normal French fries. It can serve as a great snack to our kids and also grown-ups. Let me show you how I make this awesome snack. I'm Hannah Wangoi Hencha and welcome back to my channel. You will need 10 small potatoes, salt to taste, a half teaspoon turmeric, cooking oil for deep frying. First, boil your potatoes till mushy. Transfer to a bowl and mash. To achieve a smooth creamy result, add some milk or water that had earlier boiled the potatoes. Add a half teaspoon vanilla essence, then season with salt. Continue to mash till creamy. You can see how it should look. Since I don't want to make so many potato fries, I'll remove half of them and save for later use. So this is what I've remained. I'll sprinkle a half teaspoon turmeric powder and mash till our potatoes have a great nice yellow color. From there, we'll roll out into any desired shape. This will be our end result. I know they look like worms at this point, but anyways, they look so much better once I fry them. Heat oil in a saucepan till very hot. Add your shapes and fry till nice and brown. Make sure your oil is very hot before adding your shapes. If not, your shapes will disintegrate in the oil. I believe our potatoes look so much better now. Thank you for watching, guys. This is a channel where we help you discover new and exciting recipes and help you unlock your creativity. Goodbye, and let's meet in the next one.